What is up, YouTube? It's Andre here. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a market update. As you see, March 17th, we start to see that the price of Bitcoin started to pump up a little bit. So the stimulus checks have just started to hit people's banks, and I think that's what's really pouring in right now and helping prop up the price of Bitcoin. And this is also a nice double bottom here, a nice technical breakout to the upside. So we could probably see the price within the next couple of weeks testing and even breaking past this level. Over the next 10 days or so, people are going to continue to get their stimulus checks. So I do think gradually we're going to see the price of not just the crypto market, but the stock market also go up as well. ADA, what a beautiful play. Yesterday I did a market update. It was around 123, and now it's sitting at 135 a share. Per ADA coin. So ADA did announce their ADA Pay today. And as I said yesterday, I do think it will test and break this previous all-time high, and we came pretty close to it. I'm actually really surprised. Over a course of a day, it just exploded like that. I am curious to see what's going to happen tomorrow when they release on Coinbase Pro. Ethereum is also, Ethereum is doing okay right now. Ethereum is doing just right now. Nothing too crazy happening. This kind of does look like a head and shoulders pattern maybe, so that's kind of worrisome in a sense, but as the price of Bitcoin continues to shoot up, generally the entire market will follow suit. Okay, let's go over some news. We see here Ethermine adds front-running software to help miners offset IEP revenue losses. So for anyone that doesn't know what an IEP 115 does, it is it's something that Ethereum is implementing to reduce the gas fees. So, people are trying to send, John Doe $10, but the gas fees can be so damn high. The transaction fee itself can be like $20 just to send over $5. So that really doesn't make sense at all for a lot of people trying to use the Ethereum network. So I am curious to see what the solution involves. So if we read here, Ethereum mining pool Ethermine introduced new software that can mollify miners upset by a coming steep cut in mining fees by allowing them to eke out greater profit from each block mined. Okay, so before we continue, just to give a little bit of a background information, IEP 1559 in the process of reducing the gas fees for sending Ethereum transactions or for conducting Ethereum transactions on the network, miners will be losing a cut of their mining revenue. So when an Ethereum transaction occurs, miners compute that transaction. When an Ethereum transaction occurs, miners are the ones that verify that transaction, and in exchange for that, they get paid in the form of Ethereum. Now, if the gas prices are being reduced, that means miners are going to be losing some of their income as well. So, of course, they're not very happy about that. So they have been discussing some solutions, and of course, miners are pushing back against the IEP 1559 as a solution. So now Ethereum has to, take them into consideration and make sure that both sides are happy. The people using Ethereum that are sending money, and of course the miners that are confirming these transactions in the network. Let's continue on. So the Austria-based pool, which comprises some 20% of Ethereum's network hash power, became the first majority pool to introduce a maximal extracted value software strategy in order to compensate the upcoming mining reward reduction caused by the adoption of EIP 1559. According to a tweet Wednesday, MEV automates transaction sequencing in blockchains based on possible arbitrage opportunities, which Ethereum expects to increase mining rewards between 1 to 10%. Ethermine plans to distribute 80% of MEV profits to the pool. That IEP is slated for inclusion in the Ethereum network in July with the London hard fork. The proposal burns network transaction fees instead of giving them to miners, who process transactions. Miners are not very pleased with the proposal, even going as far as to threaten a 51% attack against Ethereum. Now, I don't think this 51% attack against Ethereum will happen. Why? Because not only will the people who are holding Ethereum lose money, but the miners themselves. If they disrupt something in Ethereum and it causes the price to shoot down, they're also hurting their own source of income at the same time. So I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think it's very wise for that to happen. But, we still have to consider that the threat is still there. However, continue on, but have few options on the table given Ethereum's governance structure. So many mining pools are adding MEV to supplement lost income, such as FlexPool. So, I think that could be an interesting turn of events for Ethereum. I think that will probably ease a lot of the doubt and uncertainty with people holding Ethereum. And I do think this will, lessen the pressure and allow Ethereum to really break through its previous high of 2040, around that ballpark. So right now I am quite bullish on the entire crypto space. From the time I started filming this video, we've gone up a couple $100 already. People are starting to dump their stimulus check into Bitcoin. So we'll see what happens going into April. I think we're going to be finishing March extremely strong. I am looking forward to seeing ADA shoot past through this all-time high. If you guys like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications. Share with your friends. Share with anyone who's looking to get into trading, who's looking to potentially learn about technical analysis. I am planning to release a beginner technical analysis for crypto series. So if you are interested in that, please stay tuned. But yeah, that'll wrap up today's video. And I'll see you guys later. Peace!